All right, shalom, shalom. All praise, honor, and glory go to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahushai, Bahashem, Rakakadash. Double honors unto the apostles and elders of Great Millstone, who we learned this truth from. Shalom to you brothers out there on the highways and byways, your hopeful elect. Yeah, man, this is Acts 2 and 17, and it shall come to pass in the last days, saith God, which his name is Yahweh, I will pour out my spirit upon all flesh, and your sons and daughters shall prophesy, and your young men shall see visions, and your old men shall dream dreams. So this is just going to be real quick, man. Every once in a while I'll have a dream, what seems to be an insignificant dream, that'll come true later on. Something will happen where and a lot of brothers probably have gone through this, almost like having a deja vu, except you dreamed about something, and then it kind of happened later on. Maybe not exactly the same, but you were reminded of the dream, and then something happened very similar to it, and things like that have been happening. And no, a lot of the time I don't know what it's supposed to mean. Most of them don't seem like they mean anything. But the other night, this is what I'm trying to get to. It was about 3 days before that Hurricane Dora, that one hurricane that's out there that's hitting Los Angeles right now. I meant to put up a video, and I just, I got distracted. I don't know what happened, but, I dreamed of a hurricane that started forming down there, very south Mexico over there, Guatemala, down there under in the waters south of, Central America, over there with Guatemala pretty much. And in the dream, I was just kind of looking at the weather, like the news, and some reason it showed like a really strong hurricane was going to form down there near Guatemala, and then go around, go up Mexico, and kind of hit California. But in the same dream, it's almost like, how dreams are, like things can kind of get mixed up, don't make sense. But it's almost like the same hurricane cut through Central, like formed in the waters south of Central America, created enough, got up enough strength to go through Central America, which is, not that, doesn't take much for especially a strong hurricane. It can probably go through that piece of land fairly easily. But anyway, it went, instead of going around, it went through and into the waters of the Gulf of Mexico. And in the waters of the Gulf of Mexico, it picked up so much strength. In my dream, it became a Category 6. Now, I know that they don't have Category 6 as hurricanes, but, this was in my dream. They were calling it a Category 6 because it got so strong. They were saying something like, if there was a Category 6, this hurricane is so powerful, the winds are so strong, if we had a Category 6, it would be a Category 6. And so, in the dream, everyone was panicking. For sure, this thing was coming up to Florida. It was going to hit, the West Coast over there where Tampa is at. And it's supposed to be a big deal. And this was supposed to be like the hurricane of history, like the worst hurricane ever in history. That's my dream. I just felt like I should, you know, make this little video, little testimony, because I kind of got shook. 3 days after that dream, like Hurricane Dora started forming in the same area, and then went around to California. But for some reason, the dream showed like I don't know why it was the same hurricane, but obviously it has to be another hurricane that forms down there and cuts through, makes it to the Gulf of Mexico, and eventually is going to will hit Florida. If this is something that's supposed to happen, I'm not saying it is. I just wanted to share that dream, because it's just like it was so strange. Like I dream of weird things like that, and a lot of it comes through. Some of it doesn't seem to account to anything. Just, I don't know, man. But yeah, in the dream, it's a Category 6. They had to make a whole new category to put this hurricane in, and it's gonna go straight to Florida. And it was just mass pandemonium and panic, because this thing was about to, tear shit up. This was definitely gonna, mess everything up. So I'll leave that right there. Give all praise, honor, and glory to Yahweh B'Shem Yahushai, B'Shem Rakakwadash. Shalom, brothers.